Absolutely.
So, as a part of your spiritual tour and training program, you came here, and now you are in Tharasuram.
Yeah.
It is in Kumbakonam.
Yeah.
Kumbakonam is one of the places where you say Kumbh Mela. You will be familiar with the Kumbh Mela. There are 4 places in North India
Yeah.
where you see Kumbh Mela.
Okay.
And very special about that. In South India, this is the place where Kumbh Mela is conducted once in 12 years.
Huh.
12 years in Kumbakonam. This Tharasuram temple, now we are going to see. Now you are going to see this Tharasuram temple. This temple is very famous for its architecture. This is the cobras are sculptured in such a way, they reflect the imperial Chola culture. And now it is under the control of archaeological department. This temple is called Tharasuram. Here, this Airavadam, the white elephant of this Indra, Lord Indra, worshipped Shiva here. And it is very beautiful. This corridor and all these cobras are there. And now you can ask some doubts about this Tharasuram and what is your, you ask, what do you want to know about this?
Is the word for white elephant that you're saying, is that the same word that where we get the word Ayurveda?
Then you see, when you go to Pandya kingdom, that is in Madurai to Kanyakumari, here it is a square structure, structure. So they aim at when the shade does not fall down. Because in the other areas, it will be in the rectangular size, and the shade will be this, you see, in the pyramid structure.
Yeah.
So the pyramid structure has a speciality of its own.
Yeah.
The pyramid in one-third height, the astral energy flow, just like chakras. During chakra activation, we are doing this, making adharas upward, and energy flow starts like this. In the same way, this pyramid-like structure, the energy flow will be in the one-third height. So you see here, all this basement is about height when compared to other Pandyan structure or other structure. You see, the basement will be less, but nearly one-third covers this basement, and the Shivalingas or idols present in that area will get this astral energy flow.
Yeah.
As in the pyramid principle.
Yeah.
In pyramid, the dead bodies are placed in such a height that the energy flow makes it keep it fresh for years together. In the same way, when you stand before the idols or Shivalinga here, in that you will receive that astral energy directly. This is mentioned here.
Yeah.
Moreover, you see this temple is actually below this ground level. And when it is engaged, ground level. From we are actually, the ground level is 10 feet above this.
Okay.
And so it was some persons who say during water it will spread like this around this temple.
Okay.
And some people say it is because of due to it is sinking, going down due to heavy weight. The temple is going underground. And some during some this British rule, the people also filled it with the earth and covered it, so that the British people actually broken down the cobras and used them for the construction of this Kallana. Kallana means the reservoir previously constructed by Karigala king, and he diverted the Kaveri, flowing water to sea. He diverted the water and stored it in a place called Kollidam, and directed to different parts of Tamil Nadu. So, to protect the temple from these British people, for some time these temples were under earth. People covered these with the earth.
Wow.
And the British could not find out the temple, and they left it. And now we are able to see.
They were buried?
Because they wanted the stones, because for 40 kilometers radius you cannot get a stone deposit. So the kings in the past worked hard and brought stone pieces using elephants from distant places. So the British people wanted stone, and they broke it down and used for construction work in Kallana Dam work. So the general public around this temple protected this temple from British people by covering the whole temple with the earth. So during that time, they planted this grass also there, and the grass, because of the grass coverage, the British people they could not find out this temple, and they left it, and thus they saved this temple from this breaking of by this British people. Okay.
Wow.
And this
why
you
it's
can
so
see
much
and
better
come
preserved.
around, and this is all the side we are having these beautiful structures, the corridors of different types and different levels, and you can see like this. Now this is puja is also conducted here. Puja is also conducted, and what happens, this becomes this archaeological department control, and it is having a very powerful area also. You see, it's some very important. You can go inside and this.
When was it uncovered?
Yes,
When was it uncovered?
yes.
From when was the dirt removed?
Mm.
When was it dug up?
Yes, they are going to shut down. The time is up for closing time. So I ask the persons to go out.
Shiva has to take his,
Yes.
his afternoon nap.
Yeah. So this is a marble in stone. Okay. கோவில் எத்தனை மணிக்கு சார் நைட்டு 10 o'clock தானே? பின்ன இவங்களெல்லாம் இப்போ போக சொல்கிறாங்க. அது வந்து அங்கே என்ன கோவில் இருக்குது? என்ன கோவில் அங்கே இருக்குது? பார்க்கலையா? நூல் வச்சு இருக்கா? It's a well pure water well from which the water is taken for puja. These walls are also covered with this monolithic pillars and sculpture work.